Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. For the first one, we need to divide by s on numerator and denominator. So this one you got about number 1. About this one, we can put inside about the square root, and we will have like this. We have s squared minus 4 over s squared. So s squared divided by s squared, number 4 divided by s squared. So this one you got about number 1. This one, when s approaches to positive infinity, number 4 divided by positive infinity, you got about 0. And this one you got about number 1. And this is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2. I will divide by s on numerator and denominator. So 2s divided by s, 1 divided by s. So we have 2s over s plus 1 over s. So this one you got about number 2. About this one, we can put s go inside about the cubic root. That should be like this. Now, s to the power of 3 divided by s to the power of 3. Similar this one and this one. So we will have about 1 minus 2 over s plus 3 over s to the power of 3. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one you got about 0, 0 and 0. And now we have the final answer. If we simplify, we will have about 1 over 2. And this is the final answer. Question number 3. We need to divide by s on numerator and denominator. S go inside the square root, you will have like this. Similar for the second one. This one you got about number 1. This one you got about number 1. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one you got about 0. This one you got about 0. And now we have the final answer. And we got about number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.